Hi, this is Stephen Hickey, and today I want to just, I'm having issues with these emails coming in from all different people. And this one says, hey, because you are also a friend of John, blah, 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 you can get a free iPod or whatever. I think this is spam, and if you click on it, I believe it turns into a virus because it keeps popping up from different people. This is the first one I've seen with a picture, and so what I do is I just go up to actions here and I drop down to report as spam, and then it says report as spam. Are you sure you want to report this conversation as spam and move it into the spam folder? Absolutely. Report as spam, so I do that, click on it, and the message disappears. Just because I keep thinking these keeps popping up, and if you click on that and you don't know what it is, you don't know where it's going or what's connected to it, and it may be a virus behind there that's I'm going to capture your password for your Facebook account, and then they can continue to post things on your Facebook wall without your notice or approval. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.